how to download Roblox Studio on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to download Roblox Studio on your iPhone. Roblox Studio is a special tool that allows you to create games and experiences in the Roblox universe. Many people enjoy building their own worlds and sharing them with friends. To get started, open the Safari web browser on your iPhone. Once it's open, tap on the URL bar and type in create.roblox.com. Then press go. This will take you directly to the Roblox Studio web page. When you are on the site, look for the login button in the top right corner. Tap on that button and enter your Roblox account username and password. If you don't have one, make sure to create one first. After logging in, let's create a shortcut for easier access later. Look for the bottom center of your screen for the share button, which looks like a square with an upward arrow. Tap the share button and a menu will pop up. Scroll down until you find the option that says Add to Home Screen and tap it. You will see another window where you can name this shortcut. A simple name like Roblox Studio works well. After naming it, tap Add in the top right corner. Now, go back to your home screen and you should see a new icon labeled Roblox Studio. Whenever you tap this icon, it will take you directly to the Roblox Studio webpage without needing to go through Safari each time. And that's it. You now have a quick way to access Roblox Studio right from your iPhone. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.